1-14. The band students at Tolt Junior High and Maywood Middle School have been invited to participate in the Evergreen Music Festival in Seattle. How fun! Each group has decided to have a car wash to raise money to pay for the trip. Use the graph below to answer the following questions. Okay, so in question A, which school has washed more cars? How do you know? So before we answer the questions, we need to make sure that we know what's on the x-axis because all the information is given to us in a graph. So the x-axis is counting number of cars washed. So for example, for the Maywood Middle School dot, if I go down towards the x-axis, then I see the number is 20. And it's really important to see that it's counting by 5. So this is the x-axis. So I know that Maywood Middle School has washed 20 cars. However, if I go towards the y-axis, I see that this is also number 20. However, it says dollars earned. So the 20 on the x-axis is totally different with the 20 on the y-axis. So the y-axis is actually money, dollars. So for the school, for the middle school, they've washed 20 cars and then they have earned $20. That is the information from the graph. Similarly, to look at the high school, I'm going to go towards the x-axis, and it does say 5 number of cars. So we have 5 number of cars for the high school. However, they must be charging a lot of money because they have earned $60. Now with this information from the graph, please answer all of the questions, including the additional challenge on your paper.